everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show you a quick fix for a stormwater drain issue. What I had up here, my drain is there, but this one is lower than that side, so the water was gathering here and coming out and ruining my wood, like the wood here because of water. So all you have to do is go to Bunnings, get this $9 chain. It's a plastic one. I got plastic because it's lighter, so it doesn't pull down more. And you just make two holes up here, as you can see. The holes are just a little bit bigger than the actual hook. So this hook and this one comes in the bag. It's a 4-meter chain. So you just make two holes, you put the hook in, and you just put it down into a stone pot. You can just put any, like even dirt in there. You're just guiding the water so it doesn't just, if you just make the holes, it'll just go everywhere. But if you put the chain, the water will just roll down into here. And this is just a cheap way of fixing this issue. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.